Good evening, everyone. My name is Jose Arreola, Fleet Services Division Manager, and presenting the agreement 324000196 with South Coast Emergency Vehicle Service for maintenance, inspection, and repair of Pierce fire apparatuses for the city's fire department. This is for the Public Works Meeting and Transportation Committee of November 28th, 2023. Recommendation that the Public Works and Transportation Committee recommend that the City Council approve and authorize an agreement with South Coast LLC, DBA South Coast Emergency Vehicle Services for a one-year term with the option to extend for 4 consecutive one-year periods for a maximum contract term of 5 years and a total contract not to exceed amount over the entire possible contract term of $900,000 for the maintenance, inspection, and repair of the city's fire department Pierce fire apparatuses on an on-call as-needed basis. Background. The Fleet Services Division of Public Works Department performs maintenance and repairs on the fire department's trucks and equipment. 15 of these are Pierce fire apparatuses. Although the Fleet Division performs the majority of the maintenance on these vehicles, Fleet Services requires a vendor to provide as-needed repairs and overflow maintenance to minimize downtime of these critical emergency vehicles. The City of Oxnard Fire Department has standardized its emergency apparatus fleet with Pierce equipment. South Coast Emergency Vehicle Services is located in Ontario, California, is the exclusive Pierce dealership for parts, service, and support for the Southern California region. Fleet Services has been using South Coast Emergency Vehicle Services for over 18 years. Any aerial certifications, major pump rebuilds, or warranties are performed by authorized dealers. Therefore, it is necessary to obtain warranty, repair, and OEM parts from South Coast Emergency Vehicle Service. Discussion. South Coast Emergency Vehicle Service is the only maintenance and repair shop in Southern California authorized by Pierce. The city purchasing policy allows for the city to enter into agreements with vendors without competitive bidding when there is only a single source available to provide the required products and/or services. Having access to the authorized repair shop with access to OEM parts ensures maintenance can be performed in an efficient manner and warranty services can be obtained. The fire department operates 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, providing a full range of emergency and non-emergency services to the community. The fire apparatuses must be operable and ready to respond at a moment's notice to emergency situations. The Pierce fire apparatuses are extremely complex with several mechanical, electrical, and hydraulic systems. In order to keep them in reliable condition, maintenance services must be completed as scheduled with minimal downtime. Discussion. In order to keep up with the maintenance and repairs, Fleet Services at times will require these services and repairs to be performed by South Coast Emergency Vehicle Services under the direction of Fleet Services. Most of the services will be provided at South Coast Emergency Vehicle Services facilities. There may be an occasion when minor services, warranties, or recalls are performed by the vendor on city property. Discussion. South Coast Emergency Vehicle Services is located in Ontario, California, and meets all required city contractual provisions, including possession of a city business tax certificate, insurance certificates, and corporate filings with the California Secretary of State. Financial impact. The total cost of this agreement with South Coast LLC shall not exceed $900,000 through December 19th, 2028, if extended. Funding will begin in fiscal year 2023-2024, and there are sufficient funds in the Fleet Services Fund in the City Council approved fiscal year 2023-2024 operating budget. Subsequent fiscal year funding will be requested in the annual budget process. This concludes our presentation. Thank you.